Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, these are the materials that I'm going to be using in order to make this purse handbag charm thingy. So I'm just opening the lip gloss here, and the lip gloss could be any lip gloss of your choosing once it has a thick enough end that you can pierce through it in order to attach it to the keychain of your choice. So what I'm doing here is I'm just warming up the safety pin, and I'm doing that so that I'll be able to puncture a hole through it. Right, and now I have punctured the hole all the way through. I'm now going to attach it onto the key ring that I purchased from Fairy Special Gifts on Instagram. Now guys, they have an assortment of key rings in different colors, very reasonably priced, and this is a straw cover that I also purchased from them, but I'm going to make it into an additional charm so that I can also add this to my handbag charm. So it says unapologetically dope, and I'm just showing you guys here the jump ring and the additional ring that I'm going to use in order to attach it to the existing key ring that I purchased from Fairy Special Gifts. So now I've added that on, and I'm now going to add that to the existing charm because we're just adding pieces to it. Basically, we're building on what is already there. So I'm going to open that up, that jump ring, with my needle nose pliers, and I'm going to open that up so that I can add it on to the existing ring. If that makes sense to you guys, you just have to watch what I'm doing and you would understand. So I'm placing that now over the opened ring, and then I'm going to squeeze it together and secure it back so that it's unable to fall apart. I'm just showing you guys how I heated up the charm and I pierced a hole through it so that you would understand exactly how I got the hole on it added. So guys, what I'm doing here is just adding the chain charm that I made to the existing purse charm that I purchased, and I'm adding that on there, and I'm squeezing it closed, that jump ring, with my needle nose pliers, just securing that up so that everything would be secured and all together. So guys, it's secured now, and I'm just showing you what the finished products look like, how it's attached. Everything is attached to each other, and that's how I made my purse charm. So guys, you can use just about anything in order to make a charm for your purse. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please like, comment, and share. Bye guys.